Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're unboxing another subscription box. This is my second video of the day, so we're unboxing Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in my Look Fantastic October 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, but now I'm doing also advent calendars too. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for continuing support. So yeah, as I said in my last video, I'm really sorry for my appearance today, lovelies, but I just came from work. I usually after work I do my quick shower one, and I was doing shower, this box came, and I really wanted to unbox with you, lovelies, because I can try all the products. So yes, I don't have my makeup on. I did already my nighttime skincare routine, and I have quite wet hair, but yeah, we don't mind that. Let's start unboxing Look Fantastic. So this month box, it's yellow. It's one of my favorite color. Pink and yellow are my favorite ones, so really do like the box. And it says Look Fantastic Beauty Box. On the lid it says likey. It's a noun. It means that it's a happiness, good luck, fortunes. Then we have the booklet. So in this booklet, this month theme is treat yourself, time for your monthly R&R. In this leaflet, we have what's coming up next month. We will receive a Comfort Zone Night Cream, and this one has 30 ml and it's worth 30 pounds, and it says working to soothe and hydrate your complexion while you sleep. The Comfort Zone Night Cream is the perfect aid for beauty skin with advanced antioxidant protection. This cream uplifts and protects your skin overnight, leaving it soft and subtle to touch. In this leaflet also we have the editor's note, and it says it's raining outside today. I hope it's not a sign of things to come for me. There's nothing better than the crunch of orange leaves underfoot in the autumn. It signifies the beginning of what I like to call Netflix season. This is the season where the weather begins to worsen, the nights are darker, but it's not quite yet time to break out the glitter for the Christmas parties. Speaking of, welcome to this Treat Yourself edition of Beauty Box. We are all for a little self-care and R&R here at BBHQ, and we can think of a better way to kick back, distress, and unwind than with some gorgeous products, along with some helpful tips and hints, plus a super handy guide to our favorite Netflix show at the moment. Did you watch Squid Game, lovelies? I watched it. I wasn't going to watch it, to be honest, lovelies, because I love Korean K-dramas, but I heard that it's quite violent. I watched it, the first episode. I watched it, all the episode in one day, as I said, because K-drama, lovelies, I'm a fan of K-drama. Their ending is like a cliffhanger one, so you need to know what's gonna happen next. So that's why when I start my K-drama, I will watch it only for 3 days, if like 16 episodes, because I'm addicted. Need to know what's gonna happen next. That's another thing about me, lovelies. And then we have the contents of the products. And also, lovely, if you're in Look Fantastic, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, including the shipping fee, and you receive usually 6 products inside, from skincare to makeup. Also, they have a subscription plan available that if you subscribe for them for a year, it will cost you only £13, or 6 months it will cost you £13.75, I think. Yeah, all the info as always will be in the description box below. Let's open this box. Oh, so the first product here, this is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and this is the Soft Satin Prevents Snagging Hair Scrunchie. It's yellow, my favorite. I like the color. I think it's too scrunchy. Yeah, I think it's too scrunchy inside. And this one, it's a full size, and it says add some sunshine to your life with this pair of perfect scrunchies. Perfect for throwing your hair up in a ponytail or styling a ballet bun or top knot. These scrunchies are the must-have essential for every woman's beauty bag, which is, I love the color. I use them a lot, so I don't really mind receiving them. And then we have the spoiler of this month from Rituals. I love this brand. I bought the advent calendar. Do you want me to unbox with you, lovelies? Do you want me to do it? Just let me know in the comment below. So yes, this is the Ritual of Mere Energize Your Soul Loving Body Cream. It has 70 ml and it smells gorgeous. I love Ritual. I repurchased them many times. Advent calendar every year because I really do like them. So yes, this is the product, and this one, it says the quest for smoother looking skin just became that little bit easier. The buttery smooth formula boosts absorption and helps to provide the illusion of a more supple airbrushed complexion. And then the next one we have, and this is just a deluxe sample size. It has 20 ml, and this is from Philip Kingsley, the Bone Builder Split End Remedy. I never tried this product. So here it says, this is the perfect remedy for your split ends, shielding healthy hair against heat damage and UV ray. The lightweight formula revives your hair, leaving it more voluminous and healthy looking. You love this, but yeah. Here we go, the product. It has 20 ml. And then the next one we have Dr. Botanica's 2-month turmeric superfood restoring treatment mask. I hope you can see it, lovelies. And here it says, this ultra restorative mask help protect against the effect of external aggression by providing your skin with an antioxidant boost powered by a potent botanical ingredients. The creamy textured mask help to plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while brightening your complexion. So yes. So how to use: apply to problem areas and simply wash off to leave your skin feeling softer and brighter. I think this is just a deluxe sample size too. And then the next one we have, I think this is a deluxe sample size too, because it has 15 ml from Filorga. This is really a good brand but quite expensive. And this is the Super Perfecting Radiance Cream. Really hope you can see it, love this. Here we go. And this one, it says, this magical moisturizing face cream delivers an instant burst of hydration to your complexion. Used over a period of time, the long-term effect of this cream can enhance the overall appearance of your skin. It's from eCooking. So lovelies, there was quite a problem with my sizes in my lineup products. I think I said this one is a deluxe sample size. The thing, lovelies, about my lineup products that I always like refer on the image that I found online. So sometimes I'm not really sure about sizes. That's why I always put a disclaimer on the video. But yeah, I said this one is only a travel size, but it's a full size product. So I think this box is worth more than 50 pounds. In that case, because this one is a full size product, this mask box, it's retail more than 50 pounds. And this is from eCooking Cleansing Gel, normal to oily skin. It has 125 ml. It has the pump, which is nice. And it says, this powerful formula that is kind to skin helps to restore moisture to your epidermis, combining a smooth mixture of aloe vera and vitamin E. The gel cleanses your pores from deep down, leaving your skin smoother and more refreshed. Another brand that I have like a love-hate relationship. I tried the mask from this brand, which is the, I'm not 100% sure the name, but it was in the black pot one, and I don't really like lovelies. After I put them on, my skin feels burning, so I took it off immediately. So yes, I never tried the cleansing gel. I will try this one and then I'll let you know. So lovelies, those are 6 products, but they put a freebie inside. I think it won't be the same in every box. This is from SVR, the gel purifying and exfoliating soap-free cleanser. It has 55 ml, and here it says, its creamy foam cleanses and purifies without drying out the skin, removes impurities and sebum, excess, and unclogs pores. The skin is clean, fresh, and matte. Face and body apply to wet skin, lather, and rinse. Avoid contact with the eyes. In case of contact with the eyes, rinse thoroughly. So yes, This is the freebie one because I never tried it. I heard this brand. I tried a few products from this brand, but I never tried the cleanser one. So yes, let's do a recap, lovelies. I have the freebie, which is from SVR, the purifying exfoliating soap free cleanser, and then in this box you will receive a e-cooking cleansing gel, which is a full size 125 ml, and you will receive travel size rituals, the ritual of Mare loving body cream, energize your soul, just a love. And then you will receive the Dr. Botanical 2 months turmeric superfood restoring treatment mask, deluxe sample size. Another deluxe sample size is from Philip Kingsley, Split End Remedy. Another deluxe sample size from Filorga, which is super perfecting radiance cream. And then you will receive a full size from the Vintage Cosmetics hair scrunchies, which is you will receive 2 of these. And love this. I think they put freebie in this box because most of the product are deluxe sample size. 4 out of 6 products are deluxe sample size, in my opinion. And overall, lovelies, this month I think it's quite like a skincare heavy. They usually a skincare box look fantastic. They usually like a heavy skincare, but they always put like 1 makeup in their box, 5 skincare and 1 makeup. They usually do like that, but this month I think it's quite heavy skincare, in my opinion. It's just my opinion. But let's see next month. That's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this month box? Are you waiting for this month box too? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.